Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, and in today's video, I'm gonna be creating this summer orange bronzy with the pop of color eye. Perfect for the summertime, a little bit of glowiness going on to the skin. Yeah, so I'm excited to share this look with you guys today. I did use the Huda Beauty Caramel Browns palette. But before we get into this amazing eye look, make sure that you are subscribed down below. So if you're not already subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever new videos go up. All right, guys, without any further ado, let's get into this summer pop of color eye, shall we? Okay, it's a little summer-ish. We outside, okay? So I figured I would do an eye for you guys that was all about the outdoors. So I'm going to use my Huda palette in Caramel Brown. There she is. I'm gonna use that today, and I'm gonna jazz up this look by adding a pop of color under my lower lash line. Yes. So let us get this look started. I'm going in with the first shade on the second row, tapping her off, and I'm just going to pat this in my outer V. I did this look already when I did that 3 looks with the Huda palette, but now I am just going to change it up by adding a pop of color under the lower lashes. And I have been using this palette a lot. Like, you can use this on its own. I've worn this palette with just these three shades. I have completely worn them on their own. This one, and then this one, and then that one. You can just do that all over the crease and like call it a look, okay? It is, I love this palette, and especially for summertime. And I said this would be like a good transition to fall as well because of these nice warm colors. So yes, I love this palette. Definitely been using her a lot. All right, so this is just gonna be the look. I already have my foundation on, and I have everything set down. Already set my face. I have my under eyes set. I have the one size translucent powder, and I actually use the LYS pressed powder to set my entire face. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here in the bottom. I'm gonna go in with that to kind of just deepen up the crease just a little bit more. And I think I just did another video on the one size powder foundation. And in that video, I only had this shade that I'm going in all over my lid and in my crease. That was it. So this is just like the perfect deep color just to kind of deepen up my crease just a little bit. So I'm gonna focus this really on the outer corner right here. And I was gonna do green under my lower lashes for the pop of color, but then I changed my mind and I was like, no, I'm gonna do blue, because like, who doesn't like a blue? You know what I mean? So yeah, and that's literally it. I'm gonna go in with the shimmer, but I gonna go in just very lightly with that shimmer shade because I don't really want it to be like the star. I want that blue color to be like the star of the show. You know what I mean? Yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna go in with the middle shade on the top row. And I'm just going to put that on the lid. Like, yes. Like, hello. Look at that. Y'all, this palette be having me like, So that is what I have on the lid. And I'm just gonna take a lid brush and just go in more precisely with that color. Where is my brush? Oh, I think I'm gonna use, my Sonia G brush and just getting her up and then just going up into the crease, into the inner corner, actually, not the crease. And then I think I'm gonna put like a spotlight color on this in the center. And then just kind of taking that up into the crease. Just like so. And I'm gonna go back in and just kind of blend this out just a little bit more. But there you have it. That's all, guys. And then for that little extra pop, I'm gonna put this shade right here, right in the center. Just to give me like that gold that I'm looking for. Yes. See that? There we go. I have a little bit of fallout from that color, but now I'm going in with the second matte shade and I'm just going to marry everything together. I have some fallout here, but nothing that a little cleanup on aisle 4 won't do. Yeah. So now we're just kind of blending everything out, giving me that nice transition. And I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera and then we'll just come back for the lower lashes and we'll be done. Okay, so for my liner, I'm going to use this Makeup by Mario liner and it is in the shade, I think it's called Deep Blue or something like that. Rich Blue. And I'm gonna use my Natasha palette, the Circa Loco palette, because that has some blues in there that we can use to help blend this out. I wish they had like a matte blue, but I don't think I saw a matte blue. I think they only had like a shimmer blue or something. So got that on. And this, the thing I love about this is that it does have a little brush on the end. And sometimes I use it, you know, just to kind of like, you know, give me a good start with just brushing this out. And so that's what I'm doing here. Is just using that little brush on here. It is effective. And then I'm gonna go in with the Circa Loco palette. Oops. And I'm gonna go in with the shade, I think I'm gonna do Electric. It is a little shimmer shade. That's this blue right here. But I'm just gonna put that on under the lower lash. And it's not the same kind of blue, but it will work as a blue to kind of give me a pop of color. Yes. I love that. See that? That is the easiest way to add some color to your look. I'm not even gonna kid you guys. You can use blue mascara. You know, I'm not using any blue mascara, but just that color, and it changed the whole look, okay? And I'm gonna go back in with the Huda palette, and I'm just gonna use those same orange tone colors and just kind of blend the edge. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this color and then just blend the edge out of that to kind of minimize that harsh look. And yeah, that's it, guys. Easy peasy. I'm gonna go in with my lashes, mascara, and then we'll come back with the finished look. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Okay, BRB. All right, guys, lashes on, liner on, and this is what the under eye is looking like. I did add my blush and bronzer on, and I really like the pop of color. The color on my lid isn't too much, so it kind of balanced, you know, because I went bold and I have like these, you know, oranges on my lid. But this is like the perfect summertime going out look with this pop of color. Like, yes. Let me finish off my face and then I'll be back to give you guys the finished look with the lip and everything. Okay. All right, guys, I am all done with my eyes. I went in with my lashes and my liner. This eye is like the perfect eye for the summer. Like, I love it. It's not too much, and then that blue on the bottom just really balanced out, gives you that nice pop of color. I loved the bronzer. This is the perfect summertime bronzer. This is my Nars bronzer. I used that, and I went in with the Armani blush in androgyno, however you say that. Again, everything I use on my face is gonna be listed in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, orangey, glowy, summery eye with a pop of color. Let me know in the comments, you know, like, what's your go-to eye look for the summer? You know, like, how do you add color to your eye look? You know, if you're afraid of color, then totally doing the eyeliner is the perfect way to add a little bit of spice to your makeup, you know, to your eyes. Yeah, I did use the Lilly lashes. This is the lash in Miami for my lashes today. One of my faves. And then for my lip, ooh, this is the Smashbox recognized lippy, and I went in with the Dior lip maximizer, and this is in the shade Summer Shimmer Bronze. I have that on top, but this is also like the perfect nudie lip. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for today's eye makeup look. If you aren't already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.